Okay, guys, so I'm kind of, I think we're all are in that little rut between Christmas and New Year's, and it's like, what are we working on? What are we doing? I don't know. I was thinking, do you guys send out thank you cards after Christmas? If you do, I was thinking about this one because I was coming across some items I didn't get to. Remember, I showed you guys recently that I didn't get to the Christmas flower market auto ship yet, that Diamond Press had put out. And I was thinking, you know what, we can do thank you cards that are quick and easy and still a little festive, right? Because I mean, honestly, well, this should have been done days ago. I could have done this right after Christmas, but I'm going to start with an A2 size card. And if any of these items are available, I'll link in the description box. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. A lot of these items you can't pick up now, but I love my paper trimmer, so I link things like that. I'll go ahead and score it at 4¼ inches. This is why I love this paper trimmer. I can do it all right here. And I think what I'm going to do is top it with white on white, so my white card base. I have these dies, these background dies that I've had for a little while from Diamond Press, and I think this one looks really cute. It looks quilty, but also looks kind of Christmassy, right? And I want to say, yeah, it's a little bit smaller than your A2, so that's perfect. I'm just going to trim this down, and I'm going to run that through. And then I'm just going to top it with that cute corner, I think this corner right here from this set. I mean, we can do that one. That still runs through, winter, right? But I want to use this one. And then we'll just top it with a thank you. Now I got to find a thank you, but I know I have tons of them. So I'll run this through. I was thinking gold paper to keep it simple, or red or green, something very festive, or red and green. You can layer them. You can layer red with little gold peeking out. Oh, now that would take a little more time, but honestly, that's what we'll do. I'm going to run this through red, and I'm going to run this through some kind of gold, and I'll be right back. So let me see. I might have to clean this out. Here we go. This paper is really thin. The other one was much thicker, so it just popped out with pretty much everything already taken out of it. And then I just went through, I have a big box behind me that says alphas and sentiments, and then I have large sentiments. I have all these different things, and I just pulled that out. Actually, I just took the lid off it and peeked in there in my Diamond Press box, and I have this one called Everyday, and I'm like, And it has a thanks right there, and it looks really pretty, so I think we'll do that. I haven't chosen what color to run that through yet, so let's see what we have here. I'm going to clean this guy up, and I'm just going to layer it behind. I know with glitter you want that to show, but I think I'm going to put it behind the other one, like that, right? Just a little offset. And when you offset something like this, it's a little bit gangly. I always start like in one area and then start putting the other together. See how that just shows through? Really pretty. And then we have this guy, and this one I'm just going to glue down, so we'll start with that. And then I'm going to glue those two together, and then we'll go from there, okay? So I will be right back. A little way on top of that. And I think I'll do the same thing for this one, because I haven't quite stuck them together, and I think it's better if we just do it all at once. So I'm going to put some glue all over this guy. The areas aren't super small, but they're small enough, so... Oh, I see one bit that should have popped out. I don't even think you see it. It's behind there. Put this guy like right here. And to get it all done at once, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm going to put this on here, and then put this on here, and it should glue the layers together. And in the meantime, I mean, I can run this through the same glitter to bring that back, right? Or we can do some green, something very festive. I think I'll run it through the same glitter. That'll be fine. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what we got. And that cut like a dream. Just right through. Look at that. I love Diamond Press sentiments. They're so pretty. Just gonna pop that out, that little bit, that little bit. Up there. I mean, I would have. That looks cute too, though, down in here, doesn't it? I don't know. I feel like it should go down in here. If it's going to do that, then what I'm going to do is run the thanks also through some white paper just to make it more sturdy, and I'm going to glue them together, okay? So I'll be right back. You could also drop shadow it, which would give it an interesting look, I think, because of the white and the gold, but I'm just going to glue them together. One right over the top. And I will be right back. I'll show you how I'm gluing these together. It's because I just came off of making a video that you'll see in a few days, and I didn't, I did this in that video, but I didn't do this in this video, so I just put glue on the back of my hand. You want to use your glue dots, things like that, of course, whatever it is that you like to use. I like doing this. There you go. And when it's gangly, you want to start with one area and just kind of work over. You don't want to just stick it all together because you're going to definitely have some areas that aren't meeting up where they're supposed to. So those are just laying there. I haven't like really made sure they're together. So even the N has a weird little space there. So just a little bit at a time. Okay. And that's basically it. And then I'm going to go ahead and dab glue on the back of this, okay? Actually, we can probably do it now. I was going to say, let me see. Yeah, we're good. And so I'm going to put a little glue here. Dab, dab, dab. Maybe I should get more glue. You definitely don't want this to come off later, but I think that's good. Oh, that's cute right there. I'm looking at the lettering, see how straight I'm getting that. I got the bottom of the letter, the A, the K, I don't know. Okay, I'll be right back. It's just a quick and gorgeous card using everything I already had in my stash and just really fun. So, you know, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that gave you a little idea of how to pull something together real quick and still have a thank you card, even though, you know, Christmas is over, but we're in between those holidays and, you know, people still enjoy receiving something like that. So thanks so much. Thanks for watching. I'll have images coming up and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.